so much for being here. I am so excited because I am doing my fourth and final video on my mid-length wig series. And on my head, I am actually wearing London. I reviewed London previously. This is the color 1426, number 8, Swedish Blonde. I'm wearing a hat because one of my viewers said, can you wear a hat with those mid-length wigs? So I wanted to show you that absolutely, yes, you can. This is basically just like a baseball cap. So if that helps you, I think it's super cute with a hat. And of course, woo, it's super cute without the hat as well. This one is total, kind of almost like Meg Ryan back in the day, right? Super cute. But my last one that I want to show you is Terese. And I have Terese in Tuscany Toast, which is 1026, number 6. So let's go ahead and peek at her. Of course, these wigs I purchased at Paula Young. Remember, you can use my discount code when shopping at Paula Young, BBH20. It's going to save you 20% off each wig, $49.99 and over, excluding clearance. You can use that anytime you shop, now until February 28th of 24. I got you covered. All right, let's peek at this one. I've had these in the box and I haven't looked. All right. Ooh, she looks pretty. Let's just look at her part real quick. You can see the factory crisscross. You can see the highlights and the rooting. And this is the inverted bob. Super cute. You know, that's my favorite word, cute. Basic cap. We do have just a little bit of an extended front. We do have the covered ear tabs, but we don't have an extended nape. And probably because we have that inverted bob. That's probably why we don't have the extended nape. Of course, the Velcro closures, and we do have a good amount of stretch. Let's get her on. Okay, I need to figure this one out. This is what she looks like right there. Just kind of your razor cut ends. I like that. Okay, I'm having a little trouble with these bangs. Probably because they're a little bit long. Let me just pull that back a little bit. There we go. Yeah, see, that's why I wanted to show the collar. So these are kind of nice when you get to fall or winter and you're wearing a collar and you don't really have to worry about the rubbing, which is nice. So then you know that your ends aren't going to get too rough. All right. I'll zhuzh her up in a minute, but let's spin. I'll put her measurements on the screen for you. Don't you guys like that inverted cut? That's cute. Let me just take this off for a second, or pull it down so you can kind of see the length. That's cute. All right, so I'm just going to try to feel and see what we have in here. There is some permatease. It's quite tight to the cap, and I think you could probably spritz it with water, hang it upside down, and get a little bit more volume on top. But it's not really a ton at all, actually. So a lot of you will like that because it's a little more, it almost feels a little more low density. You know, it's not itchy. People have asked me that. Are wigs itchy? You're always scratching your head. No, that's not why I'm scratching my head, you guys. I'm trying to give myself some volume. I'm pulling out the wig wax just so that I can, because otherwise you guys are going to say, Beth found one that she couldn't style. So we don't want that. We don't want that. I got to keep my track record going. So I pull out the wig wax, because otherwise it's a little kind of flat, and the fibers are super soft. So I need to get a little bit of grip. Well, now that's cute. You know, I'm liking it. It's kind of a little feminine Keith Urban cut, don't you think? He is so talented. Oh my gosh. I have seen him live. He is so talented. I'm going to spin around again. Yeah. Look at that now. We got a little bit of volume. Now you can really see that A-line. That's cute. Oh my gosh, that's cute. You guys, I'm doing it again. I'm saying cute. Okay, we need to find another adjective. Oh, that's funky. So I love this color. This is the Tuscany Toast, which is also buttered toast rooted. Now when you get regular buttered toast, it's going to be lighter, and people get confused, especially if you're a new wig wearer and especially if you're new to Paula Young. So this is from the Rooted Euro collection, so it's not heat-friendly fibers, but they are all rooted colors. I believe there are 6 rooted colors in that collection. This one is Tuscany Toast, and I just think this is a beautiful color. I love this color for fall and winter. It's really nice. You know, the blondes are really fun for summer, but then it's nice to go a little bit darker. And doesn't this look natural? I mean, with the rooting and sort of the lower profile, even though I puffed it up a little bit, fluffed it up, you know, it looks so natural. This is such an easy ear tuck, and I just think it's so cute. I mean, that's all you have to do, and you go and you have just this perfect hairstyle all day long. How fun is that? I mean, it looks like you go to the salon, you keep up your style, and you keep up your color. I love that. If I would have had bio hair that looked like this, this would have been a fun style to have. I know I've seen ladies with hair like this, and I was always envious at how cute their haircut is. So as far as cap size, there is some room in this. Again, my measurements are down below, but I think this is going to fit average. I think this would fit you if you were petite too. I think you're just going to have to tighten the adjusters. Your glasses. Ooh. Now she looks all intelligent. Baffle them with BS. I hope you guys enjoyed this look at Terese in the color SF1026 number 6, which is Tuscany Toast. I think this is really a super cute style. Pretty much shake and go, but obviously if you have some wig wax spray or your favorite wig hairspray, you can really piece it out and have some fun with this style. Really cute. Coming into fall, being able to wear collars and your sweaters, and you don't really have to worry about that friction at the bottom of your wigs, which is really nice. So I do think there is definitely a value to even wearing short hair in the cooler months. I just asked my husband, and he thought it was really cute as well. So I think this might come into my regular rotation because it's really fun. So thank you so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you like this style. Let me know which one might have been your favorite wig in my mid-length wig series. and I will have links in the description box below. If you want to expand that, you can find me over on Facebook, Beth's Best Hair, and you can also join my private Facebook group. So that is a lot of fun, and I can see what you are wearing as well. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.